Welcome to Access Moneynomics by Access Mutual Fund.
Hello and welcome to Access Moneynomics by Access Mutual Fund. $5 trillion, that's how much India's GDP is expected to be in the next 3 years, according to the Finance Ministry. In fact, as per the UBS report, we are expected to become the world's third largest economy by 2026. Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Access Moneynomics. This is Hari from Access Mutual Fund. And today we have with us Hitesh Das, Fund Manager at Access Mutual Fund, to dive deep into India's consumption growth story. Hitesh, welcome to Access Moneynomics.
Hey Hari, great and thanks for having me here.
Hitesh, India is already one of the fastest growing economies in the world. We also are the fifth largest consumer market in the world. And why not? Our per capita income has been rising steadily and has crossed the $2,000 recently as per data from World Bank Group. Also, our household consumption has nearly doubled between 2013 and 2023 at a rate that is higher than that of China, USA, Germany, the UBS report said. Sounds very interesting, Hitesh. Can you shed some light on the key drivers of this growth?
Absolutely, Hari. I think we are slowly shifting from a saving economy to be a consumer economy. And one of the major drivers actually is improved access to consumer credit. With financial institutions now offering more flexible and more accessible loan products, households actually have leverage up, significantly improving consumption.
Oh, that's quite insightful, Hitesh. But tell me, Hitesh, what sectors would actually benefit from this growing consumption?
Yeah, Hari. Actually, this consumption drive could benefit a lot of sectors. For example, by 2030, OECD expects almost 68% of our populations to be classified as one level higher to middle class.
Hmm.
Our large working population, combined with rapid urbanization, improving disposable incomes, and growing aspirations, is driving growth in the consumption sector. As I discussed, while on one side this is supported by credit growth, digitalization is also accelerating our growth. A recent report by IMI and Kantar showed that India has more than 82 crore active internet users, and you'll be surprised to know that about half of them are from rural India. With cheap data plans, also, people are doing everything digitally, from consuming audio and video content to shopping. And more Indians are going digital. In fact, did you know we have the third largest digital shopping population as per data by Bain and Co. And this growing digital population is driving the growth for consumption related sectors like FMCG, consumer durables, non durables, auto, telecom, and services like air travel.
Interesting, Hitesh. Could you also expand on some of these sectors, Hitesh?
Yeah, sure. So let's start with FMCG. As per CRISIL, the FMCG sector is expected to see a revenue growth of 7 to 9% in FY25 compared to 5 to 7% in FY24, along with rising urbanization and also disposable incomes improving. Vehicle sales in India are also rising. Our auto market is on track to hit a significant milestone, with projections estimating it will reach almost $300 billion by 2026, as per an article in the Economic Times. And as I discussed, since digitalization is also rising, people are buying more smartphones and consuming online services like air travel and hotels. Along with digitalization, we are seeing India's e-commerce industry is also booming. People are investing a lot in home appliances, electronics, and other consumer durables to enhance their life quality. And with more gadgets and appliances being bought, the consumer durable markets is also doing well. In fact, it is expected to reach $35 billion by 2025 by IBF research. Also, we can see a premiumization trend as well. People are taking more flights than ever, making India the third largest domestic airline market in the world. As people seek more experiences, the hospitality sector continues to flourish.
It looks like a lot of sectors are related to consumption push in India. And India indeed is becoming a consumer driven economy. I'm very excited to announce that investors can now tap into this potential of India's growing consumption with the launch of the Axis Consumption Fund. This is a new fund offering from Axis Mutual Fund. Hitesh, could you take us through this fund?
Sure. So, Axis Consumption Fund is designed to capitalize on the booming consumption trends in India. The fund actually aims to invest in companies that are at the forefront of this consumption revolution across various sectors. The fund also aims to provide long term capital appreciation from an actively managed portfolio of equity and equity related securities, investing in companies engaged in consumption and consumption related sectors or allied sectors. By investing in Axis Consumption Fund, investors can potentially benefit from the robust growth in these sectors and the overall economic expansion.
That really sounds like a great opportunity for investors looking to ride the wave of India's consumption boom. Thank you so much, Hitesh, for joining us today. Your insights are truly valuable.
Thank you, Hari. It was a pleasure to be here.
And that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this episode valuable, make sure to subscribe and follow. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family who are diving into the world of investing. Until next time, this is your host, Hari, signing off. Investors are requested to consult their financial, tax, and other advisors before taking any investment decisions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.